Hey everyone, my name is Brittany. I am a stay-at-home mom to two little girls. My husband and I live with his parents, and so we share 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with our kids. I have had to learn to reorganize everything in my life because it is hard to share that little space with 4 people, and our children are getting a lot older and they have a lot of crap. So if you'd like to see how I fit us all 4 into 1 bathroom easily, then continue watching. Okay, here I have this little shelf I got on sale for like $4 at Bed Bath & Beyond. I just have my little Scentsy there on a little wood cookie. Here I also got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this I believe was about $2. I got these little canisters from Walmart, and they were only a couple of dollars. This also, I've had this basket that I put my essential oils in, and I think I got that from a store called Five Below, and I've just had this mason jar. My soap. And then here also Bed Bath & Beyond, $2, which was, I could not pass that up. I just keep my Q-tips and a little candle. In here I just have a few things. I got some extensions back there, my husband's stuff that he uses all the time. Just kids' bath toys, excuse the naked Barbies. Then in here is just cleaning supplies and our humidifier. I just got that little caddy from Walmart just for a few dollars. In here is my girls' stuff. You see they have their headbands everywhere. This is just some of the sprays they use every day and lotion. This drawer will probably continue to be a mess. It is my straighteners, curling irons, brushes, and all that junk. Then in here we have all of our towels. And I made this bow holder from a long picture frame from Walmart that I've had for 10 or plus years. And we got our makeup, and then I just got these little drawers to keep makeup in, and then this is our summertime stuff with sunscreen and goggles, extra toilet paper, and then way up there I have that box that has hair products. I don't really use hair products, mainly on friends and family, so I just keep that up there in case, and then I have medicine up there. Then in our shower I have this little rack that just keeps all of our soaps nice and organized, so I don't have to have it all over. The only thing is these little shimmer and shine soaps don't fit. We have a couple of Barbies from Bath Time, but that is all of the stuff that I have. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Everything has been super affordable. I've waited for stuff to go on sale or find that perfect thing that you really need. Some of the things in here I have just made myself. I own a Cricut, so I have made some of the picture frames. You know, I made these myself for about $4 maybe, so, and those are really cute. Everybody loves those. I also just keep a basket here for bath bombs. It's empty right now, but they normally have bath bombs in there, and that's just a good way to hide them and keep them organized and out of the way. But I hope y'all liked that video, and if y'all would like to see more of these, keep watching, like and subscribe, and comment and anything else that you would like to see organized that you're having trouble with. Thanks. Bye.